Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can restore backups from cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now for a full backup, you will not be able to restore it automatically through cPanel. What you can do is you can use WHM to automatically restore it. However, if you don't have access to WHM, you will need to contact your hosting provider. You can manually restore your public HTML folder from the full backup, and the way that you do it is once you get the backup folder, which is a tar.gz file, you will then need to go into it, unpack it, and then go into the files, then go to the home directory, and then locate the public HTML folder. And then once you are there, you'll need to upload the files within it to your own account's public HTML folder with the file manager interface from cPanel. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Keep in mind that your quota must not be exceeded, and it should be well below the limit so that there are no errors in case the system needs to write files such as database log files. Now, additionally, next to that, you can restore a partial backup. You just need to select the appropriate restoration type in the select restore type section. For this, of course, you just click restore. And then you can restore the home directory. Click home directory if you want to restore that. Then you just need to click choose a file, then select the backup file from your computer, and then click upload, and that'll restore a portion that you've selected to your account. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.